Sorry, student, for so much delay. Due to the technical issue in my laptop, my lecture is being stopped, and now all things is over. So we just start again. So all the things I cover: projection of plane, and these are the shape of the plane. Now, what usually ask in the problem means draw the reference for top view, front view, and side view, and these things is given description of the plane, figure, and its position from horizontal plane and vertical plane, and in which manner its position with horizontal plane and vertical plane described. Now, simply we can say that these are the problem belong to the entities inclined with the both plane. Now, so we are here. Be discussing the case. Okay. So first case, all the cases discuss with reference to the first coordinate here. Okay. Now it is given here a plane. This is vertical plane and this is horizontal plane. So a reference plane means a rectangle is here which is parallel to the horizontal plane and perpendicular to the vertical plane. So how its projection draw means how we get the top view and front view for that. So see, in the vertical plane means in the front view we get the a line only. We get a line only, and in this is top view 1, and from top view we get overall projection of the surface. Overall projection of the surface. So this is top view. Now, what is the orthographic projection? Means true shape and front line shape parallel to the xy line. So see, in VP, in vertical plane we get the A, B, C, D like that. Okay, A and B is same point and D and C is the same point because this is means this edge and this edge overlap to each other, so that in the vertical plane we get only a line. Now in horizontal plane what we get ABCD means exact true shape of the plane. Okay, so this is the first case. Now next case is surface inclined to HP, surface inclined to HP. So how you get, this is the HP and this is VP and this is our surface. Our surface is inclined to the horizontal plane and perpendicular to the vertical plane. So this is our front view. So we get a inclined line. If our plane is inclined with horizontal plane, then we get a inclined line shape in the vertical plane, or we can say that in its front view. In its front view. And a rectangle in the top view, but that is not true shape of the surface, because some inclination is there, so that we can't get the true shape in the orthographic projection. See now, front view inclined in xy line and top view reduced shape. This shape is reduced because we don't get the full length full length of the rectangle. We get full width, but we doesn't get the full length of the rectangle. So it's show like that. See, A dash B dash is there, D dash C dash is there, and this is A1, D1, B1, and C1 is there. Okay, or we can say that A, B, C, D is there. Okay, now the third case is there. See, the third case, one small side inclined to the vertical plane. Inclined to the vertical plane. Then what will be happen? See, same things, vertical plane and horizontal plane is there. Now, see, the total shape is inclined with the HP, and it lower side inclination with the vertical plane. So what is the projection? See here, we get the top view here, and what we get in front view? See here, we get front view, a hollow rectangle is there. Hollow rectangle is there. This is the not surface. We just get projection is here. So what we get? This is front view. Now see, front view apparent shape and top view previous shape, means it is reduced shape, because we don't get the proper or correct dimension is here. So see, that is our rectangle. So these are the three possibilities in which we have to draw the projection of the plane. Projection of the plane. So now see, there is some problem that we can illustrate with you. See, assume suitable condition and draw front view and top view of initial position. Okay, so in the projection of plane, the main difficulty you have to draw the side view. Front view and top view very easily draw. Okay, very easily draw front view and top view. So the main difficulty you get to draw the side view of the plane. Okay, now see, initial position means assuming surface parallel to HP or BP, parallel to horizontal plane or the vertical plane. So the plane is parallel with which reference plane? That reference plane get the reduced shape or actual shape of the plane. So if problem surface is inclined to HP, assume it parallel to the HP. Okay, or if surface inclined to vertical plane, assume it parallel to the vertical plane. So if inclination is there, then our assumption is that it is parallel to the particular plane. Now assumption 2. Now if surface is assumed parallel to the HP, its top view will the true shape. Okay, if we assume that it parallel to HP, it means it top view show the true shape. And if surface is assumed parallel to the vertical plane, so that its front view will be the true shape. Okay. Now third point. Hence begin with the drawing of top view and front view as a true shape. Okay. So whatever the true shape is there, we just starting from the true shape. Our drawing start with the true shape, but the initial condition or initial step is same. We must have draw XY line. XY line. That is the all the engineering drawing, all the engineering drawing. Whatever you study projection of point, projection of line, projection of plane, or projection of solid. Okay, but the main initial step is same. First you draw the XY line. After that, in projection of plane, you have to draw the true shape of the plane. True shape of the plane. Okay? So, in this case, whatever the problem say, we discuss the cases. If inclination from horizontal plane, then we can assume the plane is parallel to the horizontal plane. If inclination from vertical plane, then we can assume that surface is parallel to the vertical plane. And if we assume the parallelness from the reference plane, it means we get the top view or front view is a true shape. So we begin the drawing with the true shape. Now, while drawing the true shape, keep one side or edge which is making the inclination perpendicular to XY line. Okay, see, keep one side or edge which making the inclination. Okay, which making the inclination perpendicular to XY line. Okay, if side inclination is given here, then we can say that we can draw it perpendicular to XY line. Okay, now step 2, what we can consider in step 2. Now consider surface inclination and draw second top view and front view. Okay, so in initial condition we don't assume that there is any inclination, but in second front view and top view we assume that inclination. Okay, so now complete step 2 by making surface inclination to the plane and project it other view. Okay, so we can get the two front view and two top view here. Now step 3, after this consideration side inclination and draw third front view and top view. Okay, so first drawing is the where we don't get any inclination or side inclination. So we get front view, top view. Second, we include plane inclination with the reference plane, with the reference plane. So in third step, we show that edge inclination from the reference plane. So we get the third top view and front view is there. Now A, B and C. There is three main steps. In this step there is any confusion? Student, you may ask the question.
Sir, can you
All
repeat
the step you understand?
first step?
Okay, first step is that it's very simple. We don't see whatever is given. Means अगर आपको इंक्लिनेशन दिया है, जैसे बोला गया कि रेक्टेंगल है, वो हॉरिजेंटल प्लेन मींस एचपी से इंक्लाइंड है, तो हमको वो इंक्लाइंडनेस नहीं लेना है. वी जस्ट से दैट रेक्टेंगल इज पैरेलल टू एचपी. ठीक है ना. और जिस भी प्लेन के पैरेलल रहेगा, मींस जैसे हॉरिजॉन्टल प्लेन के पैरेलल है, देन वी गेट द ट्रू शेप ऑन दैट पर्टिकुलर प्लेन. मींस अगर एचपी के पैरेलल है, देन वी गेट द ट्रू शेप ऑन एचपी, एंड इफ इट पैरेलल टू द वर्टिकल प्लेन, then we get the true shape on the vertical plane. That's it. Okay. And if the side inclination is given, okay, अगर ये बोला गया कि जैसे ए बी सी डी, ठीक है, ये रेक्टेंगल है जिसमें सी डी साइड वर्टिकल प्लेन से 30 डिग्री इंक्लाइंड है, वर्टिकल प्लेन से 30 डिग्री इंक्लाइंड है, देन हम क्या क्या बोलेंगे कि कोई इंक्लिनेशन नहीं है यहां पे. वी जस्ट ड्रॉ दैट सी डी पैरेलल टू द, सॉरी, परपेंडिकुलर टू एक्स वाई लाइन. ओके, दैट इज द फर्स्ट स्टेप. मीन्स जो भी कह देते हैं कि हमको प्रॉब्लम में कंडीशन गिवन रहेगी, वो कोई भी कंडीशन हम फर्स्ट स्टेप के लिए फॉलो नहीं करेंगे. हम क्या फॉलो करेंगे कि पैरेलल है और परपेंडिकुलर है. दैट्स इट. ओके, मींस जो भी प्लेन हमको गिवन है वो पर्टिकुलर वन प्लेन के पैरेलल है एंड अदर प्लेन के परपेंडिकुलर है. दैट्स इट. बस इतना ही है फर्स्ट स्टेप. फर्स्ट स्टेप में हम फ्रंट व्यू 1, फ्रंट व्यू 2 फाइंड आउट करेंगे. ठीक है. नेक्स्ट स्टेप क्या है कि अब हम क्या कहते हैं कि जो इंक्लिनेशन है, प्लेन इंक्लिनेशन है, वो शो करेंगे. मींस if it inclined from the HP, then we can show that inclination. Okay. And in third step, जो साइड्स का इंक्लिनेशन दिया गया है, मींस वी कैन से दैट ना CD is inclined 30 degree from vertical plane, then we can show this 30 degree angle to the third step. Okay, now we're going to see the demonstration for the problem, so we can better understand that. So there is a important notes. While drawing true shape means first figure, we keep the edge side perpendicular to xy line, which is inclined to principal plane or keep in principal plane. Means whatever I say, I already told you, in the first top view and front view, we don't follow any instruction given in the problem. The instruction following start with the second step. The instruction following start with the second step. So in the projection of plane, we get 3 front view and 3 top view according to the condition, according to the condition given in the problem. Now this is a problem. Rectangle 30 mm and 50 mm, means 30 mm width and 50 mm length. Side is resting on the horizontal plane, means a side is on xy line. Resting on the HP means one side is must be on the HP line. One small side which is inclined 30 degree to BP. Okay, so one side is inclined to the vertical plane, while the surface of the plane making 45 degree inclination with the HP. Draw it projection. So we can say that there is a plane which is inclined to the horizontal plane and a side is inclined to the vertical plane. So this is third case. Okay, so we get in this problem we get three vertical plane and three horizontal plane. Okay, so see, read this problem and answer the following. Surface inclined to which plane? Tell you, give the answer. From the problem, what is indicate? Surface inclined to which plane? अभी आपके सामने प्रॉब्लम है, प्रॉब्लम इज देयर, सब कुछ आपको गिवन है ना? तो आपको ड्राइंग ड्रॉ करने से पहले ये सारे क्वेश्चन आपके दिमाग में सॉल्व होने चाहिए, ठीक है ना? सरफेस इंक्लाइन टू विच प्लेन? एचपी, हॉरिजॉन्टल प्लेन से इंक्लाइंड है. एजम्पशन फॉर द इनिशियल पोजीशन, इनिशियल पोजीशन में हम क्या एज्यूम करेंगे कि जो सरफेस है, जो प्लेन है, वो एचपी के पैरेलल है, इंक्लाइन नहीं है. ओके, देन शो विच व्यू विल बी द ट्रू शेप, शो दैट विच व्यू get the true shape, means we get the true shape in the top view, true shape in the top view. Okay, now question number 4, which side will be vertical? So small side means 30 side. Okay, there is 230 side, so 130 side is inclined with the vertical plane, hence begin with the top view. Okay, so that we always start the true shape of the plane. So true shape is give in the top view, so we just begin the our drawing from the top view of the projection, top view of the projection. Hence see, the initial case we just draw the xy line, x y. Okay, now we start make a rectangle which width is 30 degree and length is, sorry, width is 30 and length is 50 see, A, B, C, D. Okay, now AD and BC is 50 and AB and CD is the 30 Now we draw the projection from AB and CD like this. This is the projection. See, okay. Now this is our front view. This is top view and this is our front view. This is our front view. Okay. Now, so we can say that, see, surface parallel to the HP means parallel to the horizontal plane. The first case here. A B dash means यहाँ पे देखिए ए और बी पॉइंट ओवरलैप हो रहे हैं, तो यहां पे ही हमको दोनों पॉइंट मिल जाएंगे, ए डैश बी डैश, बिकॉज इट्स इन वर्टिकल प्लेन, सो डैश नोटेशन इज हियर. सो सिमिलरली हियर वी गेट डी डैश एंड सी डैश. ओके, नाउ व्हाट वी एज्यूम? सी, इंक्लिनेशन 45 degree from HP. Plane inclination. Now we show the plane inclination. In third step we get the side inclination. So this 30 degree we get in the third step. Second step, plane inclination. Plane inclination HP. So we show this inclination in vertical plane like in the line projection. So we draw a 45-degree line from the XY line above the XY line. Okay, what next? Now surface inclined to HP. Okay, so this is 45-degree AB. See, because this is only a line. Okay, so and this is CD because this length is given, this length is true length. Okay, so 50 mm is there, this length is 50 mm. Now draw the projection from here and from here. Okay, like this. We draw the projection and now draw a horizontal line from D and C. And where it curves, it is A1, it is D1, it is B1 and it is C1. See, is this shape and this shape is equal? No, because this is your true shape and this is your drawing shape which is 45 inclined to the HP. Okay, now third step is there. What is the third step? Side inclination means one side inclined to the BP. So what happens? See here, inclination, side inclination given to the vertical plane. So the side inclination shown in the horizontal plane, just opposite. Okay. So this degree is 30 degree. See 30 degree is there. A1, B1, C1 and D1. We just incline this. Okay. So a small side, this is a small side. Incline the 30 degree. So we just incline this 30 degree because all the dimension we get from here. So we just rotate this in the 30 degree. There is no problem. Now draw the projection from B1, C1, A1 and D1. Okay. Now we just draw the line now. See, the it is on HP, so we get what it say. One side is resting on the HP and 50 mm side is resting on HP. So long length, this is the long length, AD is long. So here see, one side is resting on the XY line. Now A, B, C, D1, A1 dash, B1 dash and C1 dash. You can also give this name A2, B2, C2 and D2. There is no problem because this is third step, so we can get these things. There is no problem. But that is okay. There is no difficulties to draw that. Now BD, sorry, BC, this line, and now this is our final shape. Okay, front view, top view, front view, top view, front view and top view. Okay, front view 1, front view 2, front view 3, top view 1, top view 2 and top view 3. Okay, there is any question now? Now you can put your question. Can I proceed for next question? Okay, means
Yes,
no
sir.
question, so I can proceed to next question. See, there is next problem. A 30 degree, 60 degrees set square of the longest side. Okay, so here we going to draw a rectangle. Which one degree is 30 and one degree is 60? Means in triangle there is three angle, because this is set square. So 1 degree is 96. So one is 30 and other is 60 degree. 10 mm long. The longest side is 10 mm, sorry, 100 mm long. Okay. In BP and 30 degree inclined to SP. सो क्या कह रहा है कि जो लॉन्गेस्ट साइड है वो 100 mm लॉन्ग है, और वो वर्टिकल प्लेन पे है और हॉरिजॉन्टल प्लेन से इंक्लाइंड है. सो वी कैन से दैट it is the case of inclination from the horizontal plane, while its surface while its surface. तो जो साइड है वो क्या है, क्योंकि लॉन्गेस्ट साइड की बात कर रहा है, तो 100 mm की एक साइड होगी जो कि लॉन्ग होगी, और वो क्या कहते हैं कि वर्टिकल प्लेन से इंक्लाइंड है. नाउ हियर while its surface means whole surface means plane 45 degree inclined to vertical plane, draw a projection. So सरफेस क्या कहते हैं कि इंक्लाइंड है, और वो किसके पैरेलल हो गया, वर्टिकल प्लेन के पैरेलल हो गया. अभी यहां पे हमको क्या केस मिलेगा, जो ट्रू शेप ऑफ द प्लेन है वो हमको वर्टिकल प्लेन में मिलेगा. ओके, नाउ read the problem and answer the following. Okay, so if you able to answer this question, then you have ability to start the drawing. Okay, surface inclined with which plane? Surface inclined with which plane? Vertical plane. So we can assume at the initial position the surface is parallel to the vertical plane. So we get our true shape in the vertical plane. In the vertical plane. So our true shape is front view. So let us start. XY line is there. Now you see, this is the true shape, and where it represent to the vertical plane. This is the front view. This is the front view. In previous question what happened, we get our true shape in the horizontal plane in top view. Here dash is there, A dash, B dash and C dash is here. Now we draw the projection. See, we draw the projection. So we get here a line, and here in here we get 2 points overlapping, A and B, and here C is there. So same thing is here. C, A and B is there, and here is C. Okay, whatever the overlapping, we just show on the same position. Now next things is, see, next things is 100 mm long, but inclination from 45. So in second step we show the plane inclination, side inclination in the third step. So second step is the plane inclination. So we just show the plane. Surface is inclined with vertical plane. So we show the inclination from the below of the xy line, or we show this inclination in the HP horizontal plane. See, this is the 45-degree angle. Okay, now what is next? We have to see AB here and C is here. Why? Because this is AC line. This is AC line. Okay, how you get the dimension of AC and BC? Any idea? Any idea how you get the dimension of AC and BC? Anyone can tell? Because this side is 100. Okay, and you have the angle here. Okay, this is 60 degree, that is given. This is 60 degree and this is 30 degree. So there is, anyone can tell how you get the dimension of AC and BC? Anyone can get the answer? आप AC और AB कैसे फाइंड आउट करेंगे? आपको AB इज गिवन विच इज द लॉन्गेस्ट साइड 100 mm and angle is given 30 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. Then how you get the dimension of AC and BC?
So we
Okay,
can
no
find
answer.
that side.
Prashant, what is your answer?
So we can
Prashant,
find the side, no? हम ढूंढ सकते हैं उसको.
how? How?
So
How you
Pythagoras.
get the side? Yeah. Right answer, Pythagoras theorem is here. By the Pythagoras theorem, very correct answer,
Yes, sir.
we get the side A and AC and BC. Okay. So if you get the side, then there is no problem. You just mark A, B, and C. Now you draw the projection. Sorry, you draw the projection from A and C and draw the projection from here to A dash, C dash, and B dash. So you get the dimension now here. Okay, 1 point, 2 point. Sorry, this is A1 dash. This is C1 dash, and this is B1 dash. So you get the 3 point A1 dash, B1 dash, and C1 dash. Now, third step is, in the third step, we have to draw the side inclination. We have to draw the side inclination. So, what is the side inclination? Side inclination is 30 degree. So, you just draw the side inclination, and side inclination is the HP. So, it represents in the vertical plane. So how much the degree? The degree is 30 degree. This is the 30 degree. Now see the side inclination. This side is inclined 30 degree. So this is the side inclination. Now draw the projection from ABC. We get the inclination of the actual rectangle, sorry, triangle. So see, now you get the final step, 100 long line. Okay, it inclined to the 30 degree from BP, and what happened? This line is also on the BP, on the BP. So AB is the longest line which is on AB, sorry, vertical plane. So it is on the XY line. Okay. So you get the projection for that. So today we take one more question, and after that we can close this session. So next problem, a 30-degree, same question is there, but what is some interference is changed. 30 degree, 60 degree set square of longest side is 100 mm long, is BP and surface is 45 inclined to the vertical plane. One of the end of the longest side is 10 mm and other is 30 mm above the HP. Now question is changed because the point position is given here. The point position is given here. So 2 point position is given here. So the longest, we can assume that in previous question what happened, AB is the longest side. So AB position is given here. AB position is given here. Okay. A is 10 mm and B is 35 mm above the HP. Above the HP, it means this position show in the vertical plane. Show in the vertical plane. So these are the question you have to ask yourself. Surface inclination. Surface inclination is to from vertical plane. It is given. Okay. So what we assume? We just assume that the surface is parallel to the vertical plane. So we get our true shape in the front view. In the front view means the in the vertical plane. Okay. Which side is, which side will be vertical? So longest side is vertical. Longest side vertical because it's so that now begin XY line, the longest side is vertical here. So in this question there is no side inclination. Okay, there is no side inclination, so there is no need to draw the third step because only plane inclination is given. Only plane inclination is given, so there is no need to draw the third step. So we just begin. See, the first step is same as previous. We just draw the same things. Okay, and we get A, B and C. The next step, the plane inclination is 45. So it this 45 inclination to BP. So what happened? We get the vertical plane is here because it from BP, so it's so in the HP. See AB. Now see the same things is given here. We just get this dash value. Two steps similar to the previous problem. Note that the manner in which side inclination is given. The side inclination is given in this manner. No inclination, but side inclination is given in the form of the point position. So, see here, what we can do now. This is draw a horizontal line, and what is the position? This is A1. How we get here? End A 35 mm above the HP. So from XY line, that is the 35 distance. So we get A position is here. And next is, what is that? 10 mm. So we get the 10 mm means this point. This point is the B point. Okay. This point is the B point. And next, this point is C point. Okay. So 35 mm and 10 mm. So this must be inclination. So we get the point like this. And now we get the solution. Okay. The final diagram is similar, but what is the difference is given here? The difference is given here in previous question. In previous question, the inclination is given, but in this question, inclination is not given. But what happened? Inclination is not given, but what happened? Point position is given. So we have to understand and draw the point position to the getting the final view of the plane. Okay. So there is any question you may ask. So as we discussed today, we see the problem of three different type of problem, and three four lecture is there about this, so we can better understand different plane positions and its inclination from that. So what we can assume and what we can get here, there is 425. So we can get one more problem. So we can go through it. One more problem is there. So a regular pentagon. Pentagon means five side. Five side. Okay. Resting on the HP. Okay. On one of its side. Means one side is on the horizontal plane. Means if one side is resting on the HP, it what that meaning? The meaning is that this plane must be inclined with the HP. Must be inclined with the HP, because one side is resting, then other side is some vertical position from the plane. So if resting on particular plane, that meaning the plane is must be inclined from that plane. Okay. So see here, it's inclined 45 degree from HP. Resting on HP, so inclination from must be HP. Draw its position if one side make 30-degree angle with BP. Okay. So one side is 30-degree from vertical plane. So it's pentagon. Pentagon means all side is equal 30-degree. So all sides is given here. Now, what do you think? You just going to solve this question in your mind. Surface inclination with which plane? Horizontal plane. So we just assume that the plane or surface is parallel to the horizontal plane. That's it. What does it mean? It's meaning that the plane is parallel to the horizontal plane and we get the true shape of the pentagon in top view. Okay, so we will begin with the top view. Okay, the fourth question is which side will be vertical? Any side will be vertical because it is not given. So there is no problem. So let's start XY line here. Now see, we make any side vertical. So this is vertical line and this is our pentagon. Okay. Any side we take the vertical and make the pentagon. Okay. Now next things we draw the projection A, B, C, D, E, and now we start the drawing. So we get the projection on the XY line. We put the name A dash, B dash at one point, CE at the same point because the overlapping, and here is D dash. A, B, C, D we get here. Now second plane is inclination from HP. So inclination in shown in BP 45 degree. This is the 45 degree. Now A, B, C, D and D, C, E and D. This is the position. Same point draw in the 45 degree. Okay. This is A dash, B dash. This is C dash, E dash and this is D dash. The same length. Now draw the projection. Vertical projection and horizontal projection. Okay. Now A is here, B is here. So we get A, B, A1, B1. This is E1 and this is C1 and this is D1. So we get second step. Now third step is a side is 30 degree from VP. So we can say that we will rotate this 30 degree from vertical plane. So this is in the horizontal plane. See 30 degree. This is 30 degree. Now see, we just rotate this on the 30 degree. A, B, this side. We just rotate it in 30 degree. And we get the value. Now we project vertical lines from the points. Okay. Now see. This line, this line. Now what we get? We get a pentagon here. Okay. So the meaning is that there is no difficulty, but you have to the patience to draw the problem. You have the patience to draw the problem. Okay. So that's it for today lecture. Do you have any question, any problem regarding to the today lecture? Then you may ask. What's your doubt?
So when you are sending the YouTube links,
YouTube link for the lectures. Okay, okay. I will share definitely because there is so much load. I have three subject, two subject in first year, one subject in third year. so much teaching load is there, so
Yes,
many
sir. Yes,
times
sir. Sure.
I forget that. But definitely till Monday I will share you the things. Means the your micro project is there and the YouTube link is there, which I will share with you. Sorry for the delay because the due to
No,
the
sir. Fine,
some.
sir. No problem. Yes,
Okay,
sir.
okay. So I will share what
जरा सा
happened.
मिठाई कने है?
There is seats. Okay. Around of your first seat is based on the projection of line and projection of plane. So projection of line is finished and projection of plane is running now. When we finish both the topic, then you have to draw the seats for that. One seat combined with the what happened? Yes, one seat combined with the projection of line and projection of the plane.
सर शीट कब मिलेगा?
सीट आप लोगों को नोटिफिकेशन दिया जाएगा जैसे आपके नोट्स के लिए है ना कि आपके फाइल्स होंगे और मैनुअल होंगे ना जब भी कॉलेज में अवेलेबल होंगे देन आप लोगों को बोला जाएगा 1 by 1 5 के ग्रुप में आइए और शीट लेके जाइए ऐसा लेकिन अभी तो फिलहाल उसका कुछ नोटिफिकेशन नहीं दिख रहा है तो नोटिफिकेशन
Yes,
आपको
सर
गेट
कितने
होगा
शीट मिलेगा, कितने शीट ड्रा करने पड़ेंगे?
आपको टोटल अराउंड 15 शीट है शायद 15 शीट इज देयर